Starting something new always feels tough, but what if there's a way to make it 10x easier? When you look at successful people, those who wake up early, exercise, eat healthy, and stay committed to their goals no matter what, you might wonder, how do they always stay so motivated? The truth is, they don't always start with motivation. Just like you, they might feel unmotivated at first, but they understand one simple rule. Action comes before motivation. It doesn't matter if you enjoy the process or not. Maybe you only love the outcome, but to reach that dream result, you have to take the first step. Fear of failure might be stopping you from even starting, but remember, the first step is always the hardest. Once you begin, the path ahead becomes clearer, the fear fades, and taking the next steps feels easier. Why? Because once you take action, you gain experience. Action creates motivation. Motivation fuels more action, and that continuous effort boosts self-esteem and keeps you moving forward. If you think successful people always feel confident and ready to take action, think again. Reaching goals comes with pressure, challenges, and obstacles for everyone. Yes, some people are born into easier circumstances, but they are a small minority. If you only focus on them, you'll find excuses to stop trying and accept failure. Instead, be like those who push through challenges, knowing that setbacks are part of the journey. You've already thought about your goal enough. It's time to take action. Use the simple planning method I talked about in my previous videos and let me know how it's working for you.